Hello everyone, Jeb from Jeb's Project. Let's see what we have on the bench today. Today we have a Craig Base, the Craig-L231, built back in '77, and it's no transmit audio and it's off frequency. See what we can do with her. Okay, the set frequency on this radio is a little different. This is your PLL board, your PLL box. It's a completely separate schematic in the service manual for this. Over here is test point 9. Right at that point there. You've got to check on AM channel 18 to see if you have 193751. If you don't, you adjust L5, which is right here, to get your proper frequency of 193751. Then once you get that adjusted, you move over to the lower sideband and adjust L6. You're going to want 193726. Adjust that to get your proper frequency. Then switch over to upper sideband and check to see if you have 193770. If you don't, then you need to repeat the tuning of these two to make sure you've got the proper frequency. If you don't, then you've got other problems. But once you get those two aligned, you should have 193770. Well, the Craig Base is working. It's on frequency. Got that adjusted. Problem with the output audio was bad microphone. So I found this old Craig microphone and put on it. And, well, 1, 2, 3, you can see the light there. Audio gets bright. The swing on the meter. It works pretty good. Sideband's working good. The clock is working now. It's because I found an old power cord. Managed to get it cut back, trimmed down so that it fit inside the 110 volt socket in the back of this radio to allow it to run on the internal power supply. Once it did that, everything else came to life, the clock, the alarm, and runs pretty good on the base. And it receives pretty good. Try up here on the sideband. I don't think there's really much going on. Oh, it's pretty quiet. And, boy, he is quiet. There's not a lot going on around this area. Not on CB. But it's turned out to be a nice little radio. It's in really good shape. It would make someone a nice little base. And a cheap one. These things aren't worth a lot, but at least it's fully working and it's on frequency. Okay, very good. We'll catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. And catch you in the next one.